What's up guys? Today we're changing the cabin air filter on the 2014 Honda Odyssey. This is a really easy job. It's a 1.2 out of 5 on the ForNoobs scale. That means even my mom could do it. So let's get right into saving the $80 that the Honda dealer wants to do this job. So the cabin air filter is going to be on the passenger side of the car, behind the glove box. So the first thing we're going to have to do is open the glove box and empty out anything you have in here. Okay, so to lower this glove box out of the way, first we've got to look here on the left side, and there's this dampener, and we need to disattach this. We can just put our thumb right there and push down. Okay, next we just need to take both our hands, pinch both sides of this soft plastic in, and that'll let the glove box slide down beside the stoppers. Now our glove box will be unattached from the hinge here, and that's okay. This will be very easy to put back, so it's okay if that falls down. Alright, so then our cabin air filter is just right here, and it's behind this black plastic. There's two clips here and here. We just need to push in and slide this thing out. Now, unfortunately, the Honda engineers, didn't design this that great. This gets blocked a little bit, but it's soft plastic, so we just need to manipulate it slightly to the side, and then this plastic container will come out and then reveal our dirty air filter. All right, so here's our new air filter. It's the EP Auto CP134. This is a budget one I got off Amazon. Link to it will be in the description below, but if you want the OEM Honda one, I'll put a link to that as well. All right, so it's simply going to be old filter out and new filter in. This is slightly rectangular, so it's not going to fit like that. Just note that our airflow should be pointing down. All right, so finally then we're just going to reinsert that filter, slide it in. Have to manipulate it slightly to get it in right there. Slide it in, and then make sure you hear the clicks on both sides to make sure that door is closed. Finally, we're going to reattach our glove box. If that hinge fell off, just slide it right there, put it right there, and pinch the two slides slightly so it'll come up. And then finally just reattach that dampener here on the left side. Now this might take just a little bit of manipulation. You can pull that up or pull it down as you need, and then push it up towards you there until it clicks. So that's it. We just saved $80. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.